A lunchbox that unfolds into an eating mat. So you can serve your meal anytime, anywhere. Just pull one zipper and you'll have your table set no matter where you are. At the office, in the park, or a romantic dinner. We'd rather have you not eat like this. One significant advantage of Foldeat is its ability to be, spell it with us, modular. A regular day at work, pack it small and make it compact. Just one or maybe two containers. Bulking up for the gym, maybe 3 will suit your needs. Long day ahead, easily pack up to 4. And, of course, you can carry it or not carry it. Plus, the mat is reversible, so you have 2 styles in one. An insulation layer inserted between the faces keeps the temperature steady. Magnetic bands hold the dips and cutlery in place. And when things get messy, simply throw it in the washing machine. Now, let's talk containers. We don't believe in awkward shapes. We designed them to be fair and square. 6.5 wide by 2 inches tall, so you can fit them for less, for more, and for all. Liquids? When it comes to liquids, there is nothing safer than a screw cap. That's why we have a container just for that, with extra foam installation. Because your support is essential for us at this stage, all Kickstarter backers will have a free liquid container included. But wait, there's more. Containers come with a food separator, so you can easily portion your meals. When needed, custom gel packs fit between containers, cooling both of them. Foldeat's holding ring can keep you entertained. So yes, Foldeat has it all. Packing and eating on the go will be so simple, you'll even be able to keep up with your New Year's resolution diet. Back Foldeat now and make it your essential tool for a healthier lifestyle.
This is Kingii, a portable flotation device that comfortably secures onto your wrist. It's fast to deploy, durable, and contained within a compact design. Kingii helps in case of exhaustion or heavy currents, or when there's poor circulation or cramps. Anytime you're on the water, even if you're just relaxing, you'll want a Kingii for you and a friend.
We like Kingii because it's small. It doesn't get in your way when you're trying to paddle out. I don't know, a lot of times when you're surfing, there's not a lifeguard anywhere near, so this gives you a little bit more sense of security.
Kingii can stay inflated for over 48 hours. It includes a compass, as well as a whistle for signaling help in case of an emergency.
Having knowledge and good judgment are the first steps in water safety, but Kingii can be an important aid when you're in need. It's easy and fast to deploy, and it's already been grayed out on rescues.
Kingii is durable, and the CO2 cartridge is replaceable, so you can reuse Kingii as many times as needed.
We need your help to start production and fight the dangers of drowning. With your support, you become an integral part of our team of ambassadors, and you'll be the first to receive a Kingii. Do it for yourself. Do it for your friends, surf mates, fishing buddies, and your family. Together, we can revolutionize water safety on a global scale. Join the movement.
What if you had a desk that worked for you? It knows you, and it's ready to work just the way you like. It knows when you've been sitting too long and tells you to stand up. It keeps you synced with your team and sharpens your mind to help ideas flow best. It anticipates when you're hungry and places an order of something you'll love. It encourages movement to help you focus throughout the day and even finds you the time to relax. It stays in harmony with your body to keep you healthy and fit. And at the end of the day, it's got the fastest way to get you home. Now, what if I told you that this isn't the office of the future, but the office of your new everyday? Say hello to the AI-powered Smart Desk 3. Say hello to a workspace that works for you.